Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my Sterling Ink, the monthly subscription here. This is a $35 a month planner subscription that has a very floral, kind of romantic, I feel, theme to it. Each month is very different, and I do get this on her clear matte paper, which is similar to like a washi paper. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and get into this month's kit. We're going to go ahead and open it, and then I'm going to use the kit to design my monthly spread in my Hobonichi Cousin for the month of May. First, so every month your subscription is wrapped in this really beautiful tissue paper, and the color of the tissue paper somehow coordinates with the kit. So super pretty. We have a brown this month, and then we have this really nice large floral sticker. So she does have 3 different tiers of sticker subscription. This is the middle tier at $35. There is a smaller tier at $20 and then a larger tier at $50. Now that price includes shipping in the US but does not include tax. So I actually get charged, like, I think it's $37.10 once you add in tax. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. So pretty. I always get out of the way. I love the florals that she uses in these kits. They're just so pretty. So first we're going to start with our vellum pieces, which are in here. I love that they come with this nice big piece of cardboard. So this, I haven't done the math since she's done the reconfiguration of the kit, but on her website it says that it's a $58 value. So here's that. The first thing you'll see in here are 2 large pieces of vellum. You have one with kind of some background images along with your florals, and then you have a more simplistic, just the florals. You can use these in a lot of lots of crafty different things you can do with those. Then we have our smaller, this is kind of a dashboard size piece of vellum with our month, the year, and of course the whole layout of the month. These work really nice for inserts in the back of your Hobonichi Cousin, or if you just want to have them, say you have a smaller type planner and that kind of thing, they slip in really nicely. Then we have these 2 sets of stickers. So this has each day of the month as an individual sticker. So if you're making your own journal or whatever, this makes it really easy to label on the side and create something really unique there. Or say you just want to have everything at the top or whatever. These are really versatile. And then we have, I think it's 5 weeks here. Yeah, 5 weeks of Monday through Sundays that are kind of contour cut out. They're really pretty, but each one is a little bit different in the florals that she picks and which day those florals land on, but they all coordinate with the sticker kit itself. All right, now for the more stickery portion of the kit. So inside here we have our smallest stickers. So this will be like each month you get a beautiful die cut sticker. These are on like a clear vinyl, very pretty. This one is a bicycle. And then you get your monthly tabs, which work really nicely. We'll put those in just a second. Then you get a freebie, like kind of sampler of different things from the kit. So it's just another additional little page. So this month we have a little bike on there. We have the bottles that we saw on the outside of that paper. We have this really beautiful kind of blush floral there and a cluster of florals here. Then we have our May script here. Very pretty. Love these so much. You also get a sticker with May and the calendar there, so you can stick that on whatever page works best for you. And then this is her business card. Each month is different, and it has all of her information there on the back if you want it. I, of course, will link her down below. I have been on her PR team, but am not currently on her PR team. But she makes such wonderful designs. So I use these a lot of times for like bookmarks or just like a little extra deco in the front of my planner, that kind of thing. They're really nice. So after that, we have these pages. And the easiest one to show you here is, this is your date dots. You get 2 full sets of 1 through 31. This seems to be very standard these days, where it's just some square cut dates. Very versatile. They blend in really well. And then, let's see, these, you get 2 of this particular page, and they are foiled. You'll see just a speckling of foil upon them, which makes them really pretty. But these are your washi strips. So you usually get one with like some kind of background image, and then the others are just clusters, generally speaking, of florals that you can add together to make a washi strip. Some of them are, you know, larger, some of them are smaller, so you can really customize it. Then we have another large page. This page is not foiled, has some more floral clusters on it, and then it also usually has a large kind of deco piece. This month we have kind of a patio, you know, beginning of summer outdoor scene. Then we have our smaller sheets. So we have these 2 pages which are not foiled. So this has some large deco on it, large florals and that kind of thing for you to add in. And then we have some smaller florals, and you know, you have some bikes in here, the bottles, a sink with some flowers. I really like that image. So just some filler items. Then we have 3 foiled sheets here. We have a sheet of scenes. Love that she has, this is kind of a unique, you know, take on things where you only have part of the bike. I really like it. Then you have almost like a outdoor office scene here, an indoor office with lots of plants, and then that scene with the flowers and the sink. And like I said, those are foiled as well in that same kind of scattered foil pattern. Then we have this one, which has these little, they're like trims. So normally, sorry, I'm looking. The middle one is usually cut down the middle. Oh, okay. I just couldn't see it. So this, like if you wanted to put it in the center of a spread or something like that, or do some edging work, these work great for corners and that kind of thing. I love the florals and the combination of that cloth underneath of them for this month. Very pretty. And then our final sheet, we have some smaller deco scenes, another different angle of the bike. I like that. We have the bottles up here, and then just some clusters as well as that scene in the sink. So I can tell that my voice is going to give out on me really soon, so I'm just going to do the rest of this to music, and we're going to set up everything for May.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on.